But if I do want to create a boundary for this particular field, is I come to the third button down where it's got the blue line and the plus button, and here then is I've got options to create a field boundary. Now the standard two options then will be recording and recording worked area. The contour segments option then is part of what we call as the contour assist package, and that is that's an unlock option on the screen. But if we look at then the two standard options, so we've got recording and recording worked area. So if I start at recording, is hit the tick, and then I'm saying as to what side am I recording. So in essence then it's relating to which way round am I going. So am I recording to on the left hand side, so I'm going around the field in a clockwise direction, to the right hand side, so I'm going anti-clockwise, or do I just want it to record off the center position of the tractor itself. But we leave it if we leave it on the left hand side, hit the plus button there, and then we end up with with this record feature. So if I hit the record button now, we're now recording our field boundary. So I come to the home page and expand it up there. As you can see now, as we've got this red line coming along as it's mapping my field boundary. But what you'll notice is the start of the red line is in line with the middle of the tractor, in line with the receiver on there. But we can see here is my implement is set far back from the tractor. And this is kind of crucial really, because when we're mapping a field boundary, is we want it to be as accurate as possible. So we want to get nice and tight into the corners, try and get nice square angles, if you like. We don't just want to sweep round the corner as the tractor's doing now, as it's sweeping round and making a turn. Is we don't really want to be doing that if it's in a particular corner of the field. So the way we can try and help get our the corners of the field nice and tight. If I come back into my guidance page, come back to my field menu, is I can pause the mapping process. So what it will do then is it will start to draw a white line. As we can see here, I've now got a white line coming through. But again, if I go back to my mapping page, there, when I hit the resume button, then is it will fill that gap in. So when I'm driving into a corner, I want to pause the recording, make the turn back into the corner, and then hit the resume button then to carry on then with the mapping. But once I've finished the field, then is I can hit the stop button. It's saying boundary has been completed on there, and then I can save that one, and we can see our field area in the field. I can also create a field from the main mapping page itself. So if I go onto this spanner icon here, and I can go down to the plus icon, is you can see we've got the add new field boundary icon up here, so I can navigate to it. So if I go to recording in this sample here, again, as I've got my start and my pause button in here, so I can do everything from the main mapping page as well. I don't have to keep jumping around through the screen. And then when I hit the resume, then again we can see our mapping line carrying on behind us.